use like
okay. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're returning, you're welcome as well. So nice to have you. Thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe. I guess you guys already know what I'm going to be doing from the title of this video. I'm so excited to try this out. I have done a video like this. I actually have like a series on my channel, which is Black Girl Tries. I did Black Girl Gets Hair done here in China, and then I did another one of Black Girl following a viral Asian makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be following a K-pop star's makeup tutorial. If you are a K-pop star, you probably already know these people basically have perfect skin. Their skin looks like glass. Their skin is literally perfect. They always look perfect all the freaking time. The video I'm going to be following today is from Jung. She was in a girls group, which was Girls Generation. She was in that group. This is basically 16 steps to looking like a K-pop star with Jung. So I'm going to be following all the steps she teaches here because we're trying to look like a K-pop star. If you like to see how I transform to a K-pop star, keep watching. She didn't show the stuff she used in this video. She wrote down the names of like items she used, but then she didn't show the brand. Yeah, so I can't really use exactly what she's using, so I'll just use what I have. So let's get into this video.
let's get started.
Ooh. First of all, I need to take this thing back. I'm going to take it back. Can you guys see how perfect her skin is looking? This is what I'm talking about. This is actually something I've been planning to do, to switch my skincare routine to a Korean skincare routine. Because you guys, these people have perfect skin. Their skin literally looks like glass all the freaking time. But yeah, that's probably another video I'm going to follow, which is, I think they have like 20-step Korean beauty routine, skincare routine or something. I'm definitely going to do that because I need to get my skin popping like these people. So first of all, she used a toner. I don't know what toner she used, but then I have mine here, and this is from Clarasil. This is my deep cleansing toner. 1, 2, understand, but
Just leave it on for like, I don't know, like 1 minute.
so leave it on for 1 minute.
Kind of like pass it off. Do it on my ears. What I do is kind of do it on my ears as well.
I'm using this.
An enriching essence. I like to use the heat of my hands because it helps my skin to absorb the products.
This feels so good, honestly. I never do all of this before my makeup. I'm using the Embryolisse one. This is actually a lot, but oh my god, it feels so good.
Now play the piano around your eyes.
I have claws. I'm going to use this CC Glam Cooling and Hydrating Facial Mist.
On flights or where it's really dry, I spray it all over the place.
Really? I already applied some lip balm, so I don't need to go over my lips with that. So
I just gently pat.
I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen. It has SPF 30 in it.
I just gently pat. And I have even skin tone.
She moved ahead to do her foundation. I don't know if her brows are tattooed or if that's how her brows look naturally. But anyway, she didn't do her brows, so I'm just brushing my brows in place because sometimes I'll normally do them first. She's applying foundation and she's using a sponge. I'm going to be using a beauty sponge like she did, and I'll be using my Fenty Beauty foundation in shade 420.
And I have even skin tone.
The foundation is on a very thin and natural looking layer. Let's move on.
I use like peach color.
blush after foundation. So basically no concealer, no powder. We're moving on to blush. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. This is scary. This is very new to me. But this is a challenge, so let's do this. I'm using this blush. This is like an orangey blush. For some reason, I'm finding this very nice. I think this looks not bad, honestly.
Eyeshadow.
And it looks like she's going for a light pink one, so I'm going for this one from the Sigma Warm Neutrals palette. And I'm mixing with a little bit of this just because it's barely showing up. I'm dark.
Draw it like this.
I'm going to use this one from Sigma. It's a long wear eyeliner pencil.
A lot of my friends say, did you even put on makeup? And that's exactly what I want. So next step is a curler.
She's curling her eyelashes, and I know that Asians naturally have like straight lashes that come down, but then I personally, or rather most black people, have like really curly lashes, so I don't need to do this step. I'm just going to skip this step, and I don't even have a lash curler. So
you know how when you want to curl your hair you need a curling iron, right? So it's like the same concept. What I use, this is like a little tip for you guys, is a hair dryer. And it's like you're roasting a marshmallow. I don't like my lipstick to be too perfect, so what I do is put color in the middle and then dab it with my fingertip.
So she's using an orange lipstick. Funny enough, this is from a Korean brand, so
I don't like my lipstick to be too perfect, so what I do is put color in the middle and then dab it with my fingertip. Ta-da!
I'm using Gerard Cosmetics.
Bye!
So this is what it looks like completed. This is so different for me. If you are a loyal subscriber or a follower, you probably know this already. This is very different. I normally go more ham than this, but then this is definitely a look. Would I try this out? Of course I will. But then the only thing I would do differently is that I would apply powder to my face, and I will go for like a more full coverage foundation, just because like I don't have even skin like them. Yeah. And I'll go for powder over my foundation because I'm black and I have oily skin, so I would want a powder that will help my foundation to last longer. Other than that, I think this is pretty good. I would honestly try this out. It's almost like I have makeup but then I don't. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, so this is just a very natural look. You can honestly say you don't have any makeup on your face and I think somebody will believe you. This is so bomb. So thank you for watching me transform to a K-pop star. Yeah, if you want me to try any other kind of makeup tutorial, let me know. I already tried following a viral Asian makeup trend. If you haven't seen that already, I will link it somewhere up here, or you could just go through my videos and you'll find that I have a playlist dedicated to this, so you can go ahead and check that out. Make sure you like, comment, let me know what you think about this look, and give this video a thumbs up. Watch my other videos, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and every other place. It's Sarah Kyola everywhere. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.